In this introductory video, I'm going to show how to add a smart padlock to the Knowio app. High level overview on the smart padlock. It is an IP67 enterprise device. It has got a 1-year battery life in it. The recharge is done via USB-C, which you can just about see there. Any USB-C charger will do that. It recharges in about 1 hour, give or take, depending on how low it got. And there are two ways of opening the padlock. You can open it via the app itself, or you can open it via a passcode. So now I'm going to show you how to add the padlock to a site. So this is the same question that I'm going to add the padlock to. Here is the padlock, and here's the site. So what I want to do here is go to devices in the bottom right hand corner. So I'll go to devices, and then the top right, you can see I've already got a smart padlock added here. That's the one called container padlock. You can see it's a padlock already in place because it is yellow. Open is there and create passcode is there. So I'm going to go to devices. I'm going to go to add device. I'm going to pick a smart padlock or key box, and I'm going to put in the output 1. And it's as simple now as pressing a button on the padlock, and that has now popped up. That is the ID of the padlock. I'm going to press link, and I can now go to the settings, which I want to do because I want to name that. I want to change the output, and I'm going to call that my main gate padlock. Press save, and that has now been successfully added. If I go back to control again, I now have that is in range. If I press open, that is unlocking that for me. Because I have got a gateway in place in this instance, you can see that it is in the open status, so that is there. So I close that again. What I can also do now is create a passcode that's locked again. The gateway has told me about that. It's listening to that all the time. If I go to create passcode now, I can generate a passcode. So there are any number I can create here. This is for me. You must put in a first name and a surname. I can add a auto pin, which is to be if I'm anywhere in the world. I can put in a custom pin. If I'm right beside it, I can send a custom pin to the padlock itself. So in this case, I'm going to pretend I'm not beside the padlock, so I can give this somebody over the phone, and I'm going to say I want to give them a one-off pin, and I'm going to press generate access, and there's the one I can give that person now. I'm going to put that in here, 5517494, open. So that padlock has been opened with that code, and it can't be used again. So that is now done. I can go and add another one again afterwards, which will be duration or permanent as well. Duration, you can have a start date and an end date. So they are the simple ways of adding a padlock, or then as well opening a padlock either via the app or generating a passcode and opening it from the keypad on the front of the padlock.